What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get a workshop map in CSGO. I know this is a new style of video. It's a video game style of video where I'm showing you tips in here, but you know what? I thought I'd try this out. I play CSGO. Why not show you guys how to get an A map, right? I'll show you a good one, and I'll show you how to install maps in general. So first things first, you want to click on Play CSGO. And then I've already had this selected, but just click on the drop down. So you'll probably have official matchmaking selected. Just click the drop down here and then click on workshop maps. So you'll see the ones that you currently have. This I actually think is the best bot map. So I recommend getting this one. And then this is a crosshair map and a red line map. But anyways, if you want to get some more workshop maps, just click visit workshop. And then you can just scroll and see the ones that you want. So if you know the name, you can search it here. Like if I search aim bots, this is the really good aim bot map, you know, to practice your aim on some bots that spawn. This is the one right here. So just make sure you get that one if that's what you're looking for. But I'm just going to install something random actually just to show you how this works. So whatever, I'll try this one. Does it have any votes? Cool. All right. So I'm going to click subscribe, and now you'll see this item has been added to your subscription. Some games will require you to relaunch them before the item will be downloaded. Actually, CSGO does not usually require you to relaunch it, so I mean, I haven't had to, so if you do, just let me know. But here you go. As you can see, it shows up now. I have easy bots selected, so that means bots will spawn on the map. You know, we'll see what happens. I don't know what this map is, so I'm ready to play it. I'm just going to click go. I'm going to choose custom. Let's see. So now this is basically how it's downloading the map, right? You don't have to relaunch the game or anything. It loads it into your queue once it's subscribed, and then you just launch the map and it'll install it and download it like that. So I'm clicking here, and now we can see that I have this custom aim map here. Here are some bots practicing my aim. I missed that shot. Anyways, before I embarrass myself too much, I'm gonna quit that, and I'm gonna show you the really good workshop map for the aim practice. So going back to play CSGO, going back to workshop maps. This is the one that I showed you earlier, so I'm going to play this one. Going to click on custom as well. So what's cool about this is the bots just kind of spawn in a standing position. They don't move around. You can change the settings if you want them to move around. So now they do move around. You just practice your one taps this way. Anyways, I'll spare you guys' eardrums. This is a very good aim map. You can shoot and get different guns up here. They all have unlimited ammo. Definitely recommend this for warming up before a competitive game. And you know, this is probably what you're looking for, right? There's other maps that help you change your crosshair too, so you can check those out. But yeah, that's how you get a workshop map in CSGO, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.